Hi Rebels, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today's tutorial is in collaboration with Wiggins Hair. They sent me over their 26-inch loose deep wave wig. This wig is 200% density and the frontal parting space is 13 by 6. As you can see, this lace is HD and it came pre-plucked and pre-bleached for me, so I won't have to do any of that. They did also add an elastic band on the back of the wig as well. Just in case you want to wear this wig glueless, you can do that. So I am putting the wig on right out of the box. You can see how HD this lace really is. Like literally, I didn't even do anything to it yet and it looks good already. So let's get into the install process. I'm going to start off by cutting the ear tabs of the wig off just to make sure that it fits me perfectly. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Basically just cutting around the ear and making sure that my ears fit around that lace. Next, I'm going to take out the hair on the side where I'm going to do like my little baby hairs near my ears, and then I'm going to spray down my lace. As always, I am using my Ebin lace bonding spray, and I'm just adding that around the hairline and using my rat tail comb just to press that into the hair and into my scalp. I'm using my blow dryer just to make sure that spray dries completely, and once it is dried completely and I know that side is not going nowhere, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Y'all, can we give it up for this lace? Like, I love that the companies are doing the pre-plucked, pre-bleached lace now because it just makes it so much easier. So now, as you can see, I'm going in with my edge band and I'm just tying down the lace just to make sure that lace really melts in before I cut it. And I'm going to take my hot comb while my lace is drying and just press down the top of my hair and make sure it's super flat. Once I get it as flat as I want to, I think that my edge band has been on long enough and my lace is melted, so I'm going to go ahead and take that off. And yes, now I'm going to take my scissors, just cut that lace off like normal, y'all. And can we give it up for this lace? Like, this lace looks bomb. Like, it literally looks like if I would have bleached it myself and plucked it. It's plucked the right amount. It's not too much. It's not over bleached or under bleached. I really like it. So shout out to Wiggins Hair for that. Now, as you can see, I'm going in with my powder foundation and I'm just adding that around the lace to make it melt in a little bit more and match my skin complexion. And now I'm taking my Ebin lace spray again, but this time I put it on the back of my tweezers and I'm just pressing in the ends, or the edges, I should say, of that lace and just melting it into my skin just a little bit more. So I'm doing my normal baby hair technique on this wig install, guys. The two on both sides of my temple and then the two near my ear. I'm going to go ahead and pull those out, cut them, and then curl them with my little teeny flat iron. once that's done, I'm going to go in with my Ebon edge control, and I'm just going to swoop them and put them in place, lay them down. One thing I started doing, like after my baby hair are already done, is adding some spray, or I'll put like spritz on my baby hairs just to make sure that they harden and they stay in place, they don't move. I know a lot of people like the soft baby hairs, but I kind of like when they're like laid down and like they're not moving. So yep, I went ahead and blow dried that, and now let's get into the actual hair. Now guys, this hair came super curly. Like I said at the beginning, this texture is their loose deep wave, but I really love how curly the hair is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my mousse on one side of the hair first, so you guys can see the texture when it's curly in its natural state versus when it is wet or moussed up. And you guys can see like the difference. It's still cute in its natural state, but I love, it's just something about that juicy, curly look. Like I just love it. So yes, let me know if you guys, let me know in the comments if you guys like the more natural texture better, or if you like the curly texture better. I like the juicy curls better. I don't know. So I'm going to go ahead and add some mousse to the other side. And after that, we'll pretty much be done. One more thing before we finish, guys. I'm going to go ahead and add some oil sheen all over the hair. Like I said, I just love that juicy curly look, and I really want to make sure that I keep my curls looking like this all day. So if you spray some sheen on the hair, you will definitely have your curls nice and tight and cute all day. So this is the finished look, guys. This was about an hour after I installed it. So as you can see, the curls are still nice and juicy. Let me know in the comment section if you guys like this wig. If you do, all the details will be down below in my description box. Make sure to check it out. Don't forget to give me some feedback, guys. Leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Smooches. Love you guys.